Howdy everybody. This is a job that I did about 45,000 years ago. It was a large breech as a fan entry. In this particular job they had 3 different areas, and over the years they just added in machines and just connected it to the existing system, and eventually of course the resistance is so high in the system that they started losing their pickup velocity in their hoods and sediments in their bends and stuff. So anyway, I looked at their fan, and looking at the specs, I thought the fan was very able to do the job. So I looked at the structure of the building so that we could build where we could find a median point where we could enter the building. So we put a new fan stand up and put the fan up there, and I designed and made this breech myself. This was made in 16 gauge fully welded 316L stainless steel. It's rather large. It's got a vertical height of 6 foot. It consists of a 22-inch main, a 10-inch at 35 degrees, a 14-inch at 15 degrees, and a 12-inch at 10 degrees. Thing about it was, this was done old school. I actually did a plan and elevation that was half scale, and then the true lengths that I developed, I then would just double and to mark directly onto the sheets. Which, most of this sort of work now is just all the patterns are computer generated. So anyway, this was it, old school. I did this plan and elevation yesterday, and here's our model of it, a little template if you like, an exact scale replica. So there you go. Very interesting. You'll note this gusset here. When you look inside, you can see that turning gusset is so important in the efficiency of that 10-inch leg at 35 degrees. So there you go, old school geometry, old school plan and elevation, and oh, by the way, this actually went like a dream. It was visually very striking when it was made. So cheers.